Hello everyone. Modernization of lifestyle these days are the result of having advanced technology that has been engineered precisely. All of the effort in making a unique and creative edition with multiple function design is coming from people who involved in engineering technology. So, what is engineering technology exactly? What the difference between engineering and engineering technology? Engineering technology can be defined as the practical application of science, mathematics, engineering, especially physics and calculus, in a wide range of real-world problems. However, many people misconceive engineering technology with engineering, especially in the job scope. From the different scope like field of study, engineering and engineering technology are separate but intimately related professions. Here are some of the ways they differ. Engineering needs conceptual skill which is built on a foundation of complex mathematics and science courses. Besides that, it involves in sequence of engineering fundamental and design courses. In easy words, engineering function as designer of any project. Different stories with engineering. Engineering technology is just application of introductory mathematics and science courses, addition with just qualitative introduction to engineering fundamentals. Furthermore, engineering technologies apply the design provided by engineers. Despite there are differences between them, engineering technology and engineering programs complement each other in skills and interest. Technologists work with technicians, engineers, and scientists to form technological teams that produce an ever-increasing rate of technological advancement. Engineering technology is not an easy field to define. Those who have spent our professional life in engineering technology education know how difficult it often is to explain our field to prospective students and their parents. Even engineering is not a well-understood field in our society. Many think they know pretty well what an engineer does, but on close examination, they usually don't. So, what makes engineering technology different with engineering prospect? Engineering technology deals with the same topic as engineering, but the knowledge is more applied. As opposed to the theoretical knowledge, the mathematics and sciences, as well as the technical course, technology programs are taught with more application-based example. Engineering technology courses generally have labs associated with courses that require hands-on application of the studied topics. While engineering courses may also require additional higher-level math, including multiple semesters of calculus and calculus-based theoretical science course to prepare students for continuous study and perform research at the graduated level. To understand engineering technology, I find it useful to visualize the technological spectrum, showing both of the profession and function found with it. Notice that the spectrum is horizontal rather than vertical, indicating that all functions are equally important in creating technical products. Scientists would most likely be found employed doing the function toward the left-hand side of the spectrum, while technician and craftsperson would most likely be found doing the function toward the right. Engineers and technologists would see a great deal of overlap in their function interest, and they would most likely be employed throughout the middle part of the spectrum. From the technological spectrum, an example in the previous section provide a good start to our goal of defining field of engineering technology. With the context that section established, we can now enhance our understanding in this complex, diverse field by examining the many disciplines in it. Move on to engineering technology job scope, specialization and discipline. As all we know, engineering technologies is an engineer but mainly involved in product development and testings. Normal engineer only study about the theory, but the technologies, which is in this term engineering technologies, may make the theory come to work. Many jobs can be associated with engineering technology. Most of them have a specialization in certain area. Not only that, their learning skill and working discipline can be different from one another. Moreover, industries normally do not differentiate much between engineer and technologists, and because of that, their scope of work can be quite similar. Engineering technologies can work under electrical and electronic engineering technology. Under this area, they mainly focus on electrical work and communication such as medical, electronic devices, and mobile telecommunication. Mechanical engineering technology is second main area as technologists. They involve in machinery production and engine development. Chemical technologies is the person that involved with chemical in their daily life. Chemical engineering technologies can be divided into several areas, for example, process, food, bioengineering, and environment. Other than that, computer engineering also involved with it and heavily linked with development of computer software and hardware. Last but not least, civil engineering, which the person in this area interact with management of construction project. They also involve surveying and test the environment of their work. For the accreditation, college level education for engineering technologies were introduced by some post-secondary institutions in the US, Canada since early as 1960s, focusing on applied study rather than the more theoretical engineering science degrees. International technology organizations from 8 nations have signed a mutual recognition agreement called the Sydney Accord, with which represent an understanding that the academic awards of technologies can be recognized. A lot of countries already recognize engineering technologies nowadays. For example, in Canada, the regulated title for technologies is Certified Engineering Technologies, which administered through the Canadian Technology Accreditation Board, CTAB, often affiliated with the Canadian Council of Technicians and Technologists. In the States, technologist certification requires a bachelor degree in an engineering technology program accredited by the Engineering Technology Accreditation Commission of the Accreditation Board of Engineering and Technology, ETAC or EBET. Technologist registration in the state is conducted by many independent societies and organizations. In the state of Germany, the title State Certified Engineer BVT is awarded to qualified engineering technologies by the Association of Higher Profession for Technology and Design, or BVT. Conditional on 2 years of professional experience, current BVT membership, and payment of an administration fee, the engineering technologies is a vocational, continuous professional development on non-academic but equivalent qualification, awarded after successfully passing state examination governed by the German federal rules. I hope my simplified explanation has clarified on the field of engineering technologies. Thus, I really encourage you guys in pursuing study and career in engineering technology field. That's all for me. Thank you.